Darn it, I just got ran over by a truck. Oh, sorry, I wasn't paying attention. I was just playing one of my favorite video games. This new cell phone has everything. Anyhow, this is Eric with TechShop, and that reminds me, I've got something here for another edition of Tool Showcase. This is the Tire Frog. You probably can't see it here, but their logo is helping tires jump onto vehicles since day one. I love it. When I saw the tool and I saw the name, I knew right away what it would do. And the first thing I thought of was how it would save my back. So I took it home and tried it out, and it worked exactly as I had hoped. Sorry, I couldn't resist. It gives you just the right amount of leverage so you can easily lift a wheel and move it around to line it up on the wheel studs. According to Tire Frog, this tool can lift up to 10,000 pounds without bending. And they also pointed out that not only is it very useful to professional technicians, but a great tool for anyone to keep in their trunk. Many people who would not normally be able to change a tire will be able to do it now using this tool. So it's pretty straightforward. And I'll tell you something else I like. Read the sticker. If you'd like to learn more about this tool, check them out at tirefrog.net. That's it for today. Don't forget to go to techshopmag.com for more tool showcase videos, or subscribe to our YouTube channel and never miss a single one. Thanks for watching TechShop's Tool Showcase. Now back to my video game. I'll see you next time.